Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today we're going to talk all about blog tours for authors. What is a blog tour? A blog tour is a great promotional tool for a book launch. Bloggers get your free book, and some will review your book on their site and Amazon and Goodreads. Some also request that you give one free book away to their audience in a giveaway. You can pay companies to set up a blog tour for you, or you can set up your own with reputable bloggers yourself. They line up blogs and dates. You may be on a different blog each day for 2 weeks. On each blog is a little bit different on the tour. Some bloggers will request that they do a Q&A. They will send you questions ahead of time. You fill them out, email them back, and they will print it on their blog site. Or they might do an author interview, ask you interview questions. Or you might be asked to write a guest blog post on different various topics, how you write your book, how you come up with your story ideas or your characters or setting, or on some topic on the writing life. Where do you write? Or they might just do a review. The blogger gives the review with your book cover, back cover blurb, and to buy links. Even if you do have a Q&A post or a guest post, some bloggers will leave a review on Amazon or Goodreads for you, but not all do. It depends on how much they like your story. Some bloggers may post your book information and not give a review at all. They just showcase your book on their site that day. And they do this for multiple authors, but each day they just feature one author. Most include your author headshot and bio and website and social media links. You should respond to comments, so you should be available that the day you're being featured on that particular blog. How to find a blog tour company. Book blog companies can come and go. You need to Google book tours and do your research. Check their reputation and the reviews from other authors that have used their service. Also check what genres the book tour company promotes. Some things to consider. Make sure the tour fits your genre and your author brand. You don't want to advertise your sweet romance on a site that mainly hosts erotica. That isn't your target audience, and as an author, you wouldn't want to advertise that your book is featured on that site. That goes for any genre that you write. You need to make sure the tour company will find bloggers that match well with your author brand. Here's a little story about my own experience. Sometimes if you publish with a traditional publisher, they will line up a book tour for you, and you don't have much control over which bloggers they select. They might line up 50 of them, but not all of them may be the perfect match for your genre. I had some that were really good, and some blog stops I didn't feel like I could advertise because I didn't want to offend my audience. I knew it was not a good match at all. If you are indie or self-published, make your book genre clear to the blog tour company so they can find bloggers that best suit your needs. Another thing to consider is hiring a blog tour company within your budget. Consider the cost. Some can be very, very expensive, but there's all ranges in between. So you have to research and check that out. Or can you do it yourself? Do you have the time to contact dozens of bloggers and line up a tour yourself? Or do you have an assistant who can do this for you? How do you line up a blog tour yourself? You research different bloggers and follow them for a few weeks to get to know their content, and then you email and ask if they would be willing to host you and your new release on their blog. It helps if you tell them what you like about their site or how your book fits in with their audience. You also must decide how long will your book tour run? 2 weeks or 3? How many blog stops can you expect? Sometimes you will get a lot of interest from bloggers, and sometimes only a few will respond to the tour company and agree to feature you on their blog. Is it worth the time? Do you have time to write extra blog posts, do Q&A, question and answer response sheets or interviews, and respond to comments on each blog each day? While blog tours can be a useful marketing tool to advertise your book, get reviews, and find new readership, you do not need a blog tour for every book launch, especially if it is a re-release or a shorter story, such as a novella, a prequel, or a bonus story attached to a series or an established story world. However, if you have a major book launch for a full-length novel or series, a blog tour can be fun and exciting and expose your story to dozens of already established audiences. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you would like help with your story, I invite you to click the link below and download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet filled with 7 pages of fill-in-the-blank templates and examples to keep your story moving forward.